Hello ladies and gentlemen, today in this video we are going to talk about how to sell anything to anyone. So, use this secret to make massive amounts of money selling anything to anyone. So without any further delay, let's start our today's topic. Secret number 1 is get into their world. Talk about what they care about, their problems, fears and desires. Secret number 2 is we are emotional creatures, not logical. Sell toward emotions and feelings. Secret number 3 is don't sell product, sell results and solution. Don't talk about what your product can do, talk about what the product can do for them. Secret number 4 is be specific. Lose 10 pounds in 3 weeks without diet or exercise is better than lose weight. Secret number 5 is take the advantage of FOMO technique, fear of missing out. Set the hard deadline when the sale ends. Secret number 6 is be entertaining and exhaustive. Put a jokes in your text. Don't make it boring. Don't sound like. So these are the 6 secrets for selling anything to anyone. I really hope you learn them and enjoy them. So that's it for our today's video. I really hope you learned something new and valuable in this video.